To uphold the tradition of our Indian culture, I would earnestly appeal to all my sisters, daughters and girls to dress dignifiedly.
This is TDP MP's moral lesson for the parliament.
Tradition of our Indian
This is how Murli Mohan Maganti wants women to dress up.
daughters and girls. To uphold the tradition of our Indian culture, I would earnestly appeal to all my sisters, daughters and girls to dress dignifiedly. I would also appeal all my brethren to treat every girl, lady, woman as his own family member, which will be a great tribute to our Mother India.
His misogynist comments leading to a severe backlash.
Every MP who talks irresponsibly about women have to apologize, and they just cannot afford to make statements like this, especially at a time where there is atrocity against women at such a height.
That is not about legislation, but it's about the mindset, and the very mindset that we were talking about and we want to fight is what was displayed in the parliament today.
To dress dignifiedly.
But what's more shocking is how the others in the parliament merely watched on, with over 200 plus MPs not opposing this brazen remark.
Why did not one single male parliament get up to protest? And they were smiling. What do they mean by that? I think it's a shame.
To dress dignifiedly.
In spite of the severe criticism, MPs defended their Mute Spectator Act.
Girl, lady, woman.
It has a way of functioning. It has a way of functioning. We made the MP to retract the statement. In a very gracious manner, we made that thing done.
That empty chair is...
But the misogynist MP at the centre of the controversy chose to evade our direct questions.
That empty chair is of Murli Mohan Maganti, the Member of Parliament of the TDP, who refuses to come on the news hour and explain what he means when he has a direct correlation between atrocities against women and the clothes that they wear.
But when we caught him on camera, he made meek excuses for his moral policing act.
What do you mean by a dignified dress? You're a parliamentarian yourself. You should define this, I guess. What do you mean by a dignified dress?
Dignified, sampradaya dressuలు.
What do you mean by sampradaya?
That's modern dresses, not modern dresses.
To dress dignifiedly.
It's not the first time our lawmakers have shown their regressive mindset.
Girl, lady, woman.
But it is the first time that our much animated politicians chose to simply watch on this TDP MP's sexist rant, hitting a new low in the Indian democracy. Bureau Report, Times Now.